Hi guys, I'm showing the F150 how to replace the door latch and actuator motor today. There are some problems getting aged actuator motor. First we need to remove the door panel and first take out the triangle outside the mirror cover and then gently lift up the inside the door handle cover, and then center cover usually first fold the upside first and then remove the 4 cords. Now 3 more screws. You can see the arrow at the same size, 7mm. Now bottom of the door panel is gently pulled out and lift up the door panel, and then disconnect the whole electrical connection and even electric power window switch. And then now is a cable as a push down the locking tab and then pull up the cable gently like this. And reconnect the electric power window switch. And remove the dust cover and then the speaker, and then now roll down the window access to the window locking tab from the regulator, and then gently pry out using the screwdriver or the fast trim tools like this. Pry out the locking tabs inside the door, and then slide out the window and the tape it. And then remove the regulator 2 nuts. And then slide it back to the window regulator one side portion. And then put it away and make room for the door latch assembly. So last room is now. Now let's take out the unlock rod. It's a kind of tricky. Is using the Allen or hexa rod, a little bit bigger than rod diameter, and then push into the Allen rod and then take out together. Spread the lock tab and then remove the rubber cover for the outside door handle. Yeah, okay. Remove the bolt outside and then remove the 2 nut more inside the door handle. Not a bolt, it's not. I'm using the electric wrenches like this, more faster than the manual wrench. And then pull the handle out gently and like this. And then sometimes taping the bottom of the door handle is for prevent scratching. And then now you can see the locking tab retainer. You can long rod pliers squeeze in, pull back the cable from the outside the door handle like this, and then remove the cable and then slide off. This video, just gentle out. That's it. Now it's unscrew latch screws T30, and then 2 more bolt 8mm, bottom one and upside one more. Back door is only one has, and then disconnect the 2 connections at the bottom of the latch. One side the door switch and on one other side the regulator actuator motor. And then this detach the outside door handle cable from the door, and then put the door handle cable in the door, slide in, and also inside the door handle cable, push the back to in the door, and then now remove the whole latch assembly with inside outside cable like this. I already replaced this one door latch assembly, so it's like new. And then when you change the door latch assembly, it's transferred all inside outside cable. Now if you need to change motor assembly, you set on the bench and then separate the shield cover. Some of latch has a record, and then black shield cover has black shield cover is one more. Now it's just to separate the window guide and then latch. Separate the actuator motor from the latch. Just to slide it back using the flat screwdrivers. Now it's separated. Yeah, you can see the new and old one. Just to slide in, align the door latch locking tab, and then some attached latch screws on thread lock. Some of F150 drivers in North America and Canada, they need to perform the freezing cons on TSP, and then foam, attach the foam, and then some taping and water slide jacket, hold grease, and then prevent water goes in.